Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz, and if you're new around here, we do a butt ton of beauty related content, mainly makeup tutorials, which is what you're about to see. So today's video is starting off my Friends series. So Revolution did a Friends series. I think they've done 2 lots of, and I have been collecting the little mini palettes for a little while. I've got a few here, so I will be doing these over the next few months, not all together because that might get a bit boring, but I'm going to start off with the Chandler palette, and the reason being is because it is super fun spring. So there's 9 shadows in each palette, and what I thought would be fun is to just do, because I do 3 looks, each row will be a look. So we have a blue look, a green look, and a pink look. I thought it'd be pretty fun to see how to do that. Anyway, with all that being said, let's stop rambling and let's get on with the tutorials.
Alrighty guys, as usual, starting off with my Too Faced Born This Way multi use concealer on the lid, and then using a Real Technique setting brush to blend that out, ready for eyeshadow. I'm going into the Chandler palette today, and we're going to start off with the blue row. I'm taking the shade Bigger Boat, which is a pretty bright matte blue in the palette. It is a little bit chalky and it took a bit to build it up, and some of it did end up being quite a bit patchy, but I will be trying it again just to see if it was the application. I'm not quite sure, but to blend that out, I'm taking the shade Hello Mr. Bing, which is the light blue in that row, and I'm just taking a clean brush to blend that out and create the shape, and I'll go back and forth between the 2 colors to build up and blend it out so it's nice and seamless. Then I'm taking the shade Tulsa, which is a foil metallic blue on a flat brush, and I'm putting that on the lid, the open space on the lid. As you can see, I'm having a bit of trouble getting that pigment to pay off with the brush. I would suggest using your finger for this one. I did off camera just to get that on the lid because it was quite hard with a brush. Then I'm taking this eyelining pen. This is the Game of Thrones collection eyeliner, which I believe was in the collection as limited edition packaging, and is a part of their permanent line. I'm just creating a small wing and then going in with some liner, going in with some mascara just to finish off the lashes, and then I'm going in with this matte lipstick from Audacious Cosmetics, and the first look is complete. For the second look, starting off as usual with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and blending it out with a Real Technique setting brush, going in with the shade Hypnosis, which is a light lime green. It looks darker in the palette than as it translates on the lid. It was quite pale with the payoff. I'm using a translucent matte face powder to blend that out and up under the brows so that it's nice and blended. Then I'm taking the shade Cups, which is another metallic foil, and this time I used my finger to apply it and I got much better payoff. I think that's just how this formula needs to be applied to the lid, honestly. Just use your finger, get in there, and then you can pack the color on. Then I'm taking the shade The Box, which is a green, I'm gonna say shimmer versus foil in comparison to the 2 formulas. They're 2 different formulas. So I'm using a pencil brush to apply that to the inner corner. Then I'm taking this nude eyelining pencil from Essence for my waterline, and then the same black eyelining pen. This time I'm only lining where my lashes are. I'm not taking any sort of wing or anything out, nothing too thick or crazy, more so that my mascara has something to anchor to, so I'm not putting falsies on for this look today. Then I'm taking this lipstick. This is from the Friends collection. This is the lipstick in the shade Monica, and it's really nice. I liked it. So just pop that on the lips, and that is your second look complete. And to start off the third and final look, I'm taking my Too Faced concealer as usual, blending it out with my Real Techniques setting brush. I'm going in with the shade Eddie on a blending brush. This is the matte hot pink in the palette. I'm taking that all over the lid, leaving the inner corner free for the moment. I'm packing it on the lid and then slowly tapping it out so I can create that shape without having patchiness. I'm using the shade Erica, which is a pale purple. I won't say matte and I won't say shimmer, it's more of a satin shade, and I'm using it to blend out the edges of that pink. And I'll go between the two shades to pack it on and build it up and blend it out. Then I'm taking the shade Jack, which is the metallic foily pinky purple shade, and I'm taking that underneath my eyebrow as my brow highlight, and I'm using my blending brush to blend that out. Then I'm going back in with my finger to apply that to the inner corner. I'm just using my blending brush to tap those two together to create that blend. I lost the footage of my eyeliner, but I just use a pale purple face paint to create that, and then some mascara. And then for this look I did end up putting lashes on. And for the lips I'm using the gloss, this is the Ross gloss. So that is the third look completed.
Alrighty guys, so that is it for this 3-look 1 palette tutorial for the Chandler palette from Revolution. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. I'd love to have a chat with you and talk to you about makeup down there. Second I see it, I'll be there. If you made it this far, please leave a comment with a chair, like an emoji chair, in the comment section. I would love to know how far people get in my videos. And if you like what you see, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell to get notified when I do post a new video, which is at this point Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. Anyway, I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are and whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!